Hello everyone! Today we are going to explore a topic that sometimes gets a reputation for being difficult, trigonometry. But I want to show you it's understandable and incredibly useful. You might think it's just for advanced math students or scientists, but the truth is, its ideas are all around us. It helps us understand the world in terms of angles, distances, heights, from the way a video game character moves across a screen to the construction of a towering skyscraper. It's a tool for measuring things we can't easily reach, the height of a tree, the distance to a star. Many people feel anxiety when they hear trigonometry. They picture complex formulas and strange symbols. My goal is to break down those barriers and reveal the simple, elegant ideas. We'll start with something familiar, the triangle. Specifically, a special kind of triangle that holds the key. We will build understanding one small, logical step at a time. Everything we are going to learn today begins with a special shape called a right triangle. A right triangle is any triangle that has one angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. This 90-degree angle is often called a right angle. It looks like the corner of a square or a book. This special corner is the foundation of trigonometry because it gives us a point of certainty. The other two angles in a right triangle will always be sharp or acute. That means they are both less than 90 degrees. This simple, rigid structure is what makes the right triangle predictable and useful. Let's get familiar with the names of the sides. The side directly opposite the 90-degree angle is always the longest side. We give it a special name, the hypotenuse. The other two sides are called the legs. In trigonometry, we give those legs more specific names depending on which acute angle we pick. From this angle's point of view, the two legs have roles. The leg directly across from our angle is called the opposite side. It's the side that our angle sees. The other leg, the one next to the angle and forming it, is the adjacent side. Adjacent just means next to. The hypotenuse always keeps its name. It's the longest side opposite the right angle. Remember, opposite and adjacent depend on which acute angle you choose. Switch to the other acute angle, and the opposite becomes adjacent, and adjacent becomes opposite. Take a moment to visualize this. See the triangle, pick an angle, and identify opposite and adjacent. This is the bedrock on which we will build everything else. Now that we understand the parts of a right triangle, the hypotenuse, the opposite side, the adjacent side, we can introduce the three main stars of trigonometry. Their names are sine, cosine, tangent. These might sound complicated, abstract words, but they are not. They are simply names for three specific ratios of the side lengths of a right triangle. A ratio is just one number divided by another, a simple fraction. The sine of an angle, often abbreviated as sin, is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the length of the hypotenuse.